Hello Transformation, welcome back to my channel. Mine is Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the holiday spirit with exciting tutorial inspired by Farrell Magic Christmas look. So I will be recreating her festive style and adding a fun twist by drawing Christmas lights on my face. So if you're ready to dazzle this holiday season, keep watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more holiday spirits, beauty, inspiration. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to go and get started. I'm using Amazon Athena face paint and it have 20 colors, all the colors you will love. And I know I didn't duck mine out, but I just used the black. I'm just like doing some wiggly lines. So it's not perfect, and I'm doing this image right here. So the picture above to my right, which is your left, I am doing the exact same thing. I'm doing some wiggly lines. I want to make sure that everything's okay. So now I'm going to start adding like the little light bulbs. Now I'm not perfect of drawing, but I am really just pinpoint how everything is on the model's face. So I'm doing the best I can. So you guys going to see that. And I really had fun doing this one because it was out of my comfort zone.
I don't know.
And as I never did this before, trying to do some lights on my face. Well, I take that back. I did do it before, but mostly just try to get into more of the detail of the picture. So I did the blue paint first, and then I'm going back in with some green. So I have found the thinnest brush that I have, that came with the face paint, to use to apply the little light bulbs. And then I'm going to go in with some yellow. So I was trying to use it from the side so it won't look so big. And I want it to look, natural and have fun, as always. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting the details just aligned in the picture. That you guys saw. So and then I'm just going to add some red. And I'm just trying to remember the places that the model had the lights on her face. And I felt like this one was a great task because it was very daring and showcased my creativity. But I do like it so far. So I feel like I did a great job. So now I'm going back in. I'm adding a little white
Borrowed time
for the little light bulbs that I did apply / draw. So I wanted to make it more realistic. So I did. And it took some time. It did. But it was very easy to work tomorrow. And these are the eyeshadow palettes I will be using in today's video. Yes, they are all by Ruby Kisses. And I have the rainbow. I have the forest and the Wakiti. I tried my best to pronounce these names, or these the style names of the eyeshadow palette. But I'm using the forest. I'm using dark green on the outer corner of my eye. So I am recreating the same style, same color of Farrell makeup. So I'm making sure that you guys can see that deep green on the side of my eye. And then I'm going to go back in. I use my rainbow eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the color white. I'm using that in the inner corner of my eye. and I'm going to blend it out. So I just kept using that one, and then I switched over, but I'm going to show you guys which one I use next to make my eyes pop out. Pop a little bit more because of the color scheme and the model. So I'm still applying the white. Now I'm going back and using my face paint. I'm going to use the color black. I'm going to use it as an eyeliner, and the paint is safe. It's non-toxic. So I'm just going to draw a line, and I'm going to like draw a wing. So I wanted my makeup to stand out. And that's the point when you do your makeup. The eyeliner is always the most important because it always make your makeup stand out, especially having glam makeup or Halloween or Christmas, Thanksgiving, and so on. Eyeliner is the best. And I use some Absolute New York concealer. You can use any type of concealer. And I just did a little bit because I just want to have a nice angle with my makeup. Now I'm just doing this quick because I know this is not the proper way of applying makeup or doing it, but I wanted to show you guys that I can create this look in minutes. 10 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes. So I have that side looking good. Now we're going to do the opposite side. So I'm going to be using the color red. And I'm going to start, I want to say buffing up that side, but on the outer side of my eye, I'm just going to move in a circular motion. And then I'm kind of just blending it out as I go. I'm
Everything
going to
don't
apply
work for
some white
everybody.
eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just blending it out so you guys can see. And I'm just going back in with that red because I wanted to shape my eye a little bit, just like the model. So now I'm going to finish drawing because on the picture she had two more lights from coming out the eye. And I made two little circles and the colors were red and green. So that's what I did. And I thought this was so cute because it does get you ready for Christmas and in a Christmas mood of drawing and just perfecting your dream. So I did that there and I'm proud of myself. I'm so glad I finished this look. It didn't even take long at all. Now the lip combo, Ruby Kisses, Russian Red, and their clear lip gloss. I think it's rose hip oil. And I love this red lipstick because this is like a true red, more calm and vibrant. And I just put the clear on top so my lips can look big and juicy and natural. So I did love this look. And I did it, you guys. It looks very nice. And it looks very natural. So you guys can see from the top and from the bottom. And this is the final look. I love how the festive and fun this is. It's perfect for a Christmas party, a holiday photo shoot, or even just spreading some holiday cheer. So what do you guys think? Would you try this Christmas lights look? Let me know. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video.